Hi everyone, it's been 1.5 months since I have started my channel. So today I thought to introduce myself in front of you all because there are many new subscribers in my channel. So yeah, this video is all about getting to know me personally. I am going to answer few questions which I have collected from the internet. So yeah, let's begin. So first question is, what is your name? By now from my channel name you maybe know my name. My name is Monalisa Mahanti, so that's why I have kept my channel name as Monalisa Smile. The next question is, where are you from and where are you located now? Okay, so I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. I have spent my childhood over there, so needless to say this place is very close to my heart. Currently I am staying in Frankfurt, Germany. Before shifting here, I spent a lot of time in Bangalore, India. Due to my work, I had traveled a lot, so I also spent a lot of time in Mumbai, few months in Hyderabad, and sometimes in Netherlands. Yeah. So the next question is, what did you study and what is your profession? So I have completed my 12th from Jamshedpur, and then for my BTech I shifted to Odisha, India. After completion of my BTech, I joined as a software engineer in Bangalore. Down the line, I have worked with multiple multinational companies. I have 9+ year experience in this field, and this field has given me lots of exposure to the outer world. So yeah, I am into software world. Next question is, are you working currently? Yes, I am working currently in a multinational company here in Frankfurt, Germany as a software engineer with my 9-to-5 job, and with that I handle my YouTube channel. So basically I am a software engineer by day and a YouTuber and blogger by night. Question is, how tall are you? So I am 5.7. So yeah, I guess I'm pretty tall. So next question is, do you have siblings? Yes, I have one younger brother. He is staying with my parents in Odisha, India. Next question is, are you married? Yes, I am married, and I'm staying here with my partner, and I am married since 4 years, and I have a beautiful family over there, and my in-laws, they are settled in Bangalore. Next question is, who inspire you the most? So undoubtedly my mom. Since my childhood, I have seen her doing everything without any complaint, and yeah, I get lots of inspiration from her, and she is the strength behind me. She pushes me a lot to do, achieve and everything. So yeah, she is the biggest inspiration. What is your favorite food? I love to try different cuisine. I love to experiment food. I am a big time foodie. So basically, yeah, name a few. I love authentic Indian food, especially South Indian dishes. I love the most because I spent a lot of time in southern part of India. Also, I like Chinese, Vietnamese. Yeah. So these are my favorite food. Talking about dessert, I am not a dessert lover, but I love to bake sometime in home. I love to experiment on things. If I take one name, then cheesecake is my favorite. Next question is, state one good habit and one bad habit. So yeah, good habit is I adapt things quickly. I learn things quickly and I dig into it to know in and out of that thing. Bad habit is I'm a lazy soul. So if something is not interesting, then I'm not able to continue to that. I know it's a very bad habit, but if things are not challenging enough, I don't find interest to do that. I know this is a bad habit and I am working on it, and I'm sure I'll overcome from it. What is that one habit you want to change? So I want to change my sleeping habit. I am a night owl. I can do anything in the night, but I find difficult to wake up early. I generally wake up by 7 or 6:30. Then I really wanted to wake up a little early. Yeah, I am working every day on it, and I'm sure I will be able to do that. So next question is, what are your hobbies? So yeah, my first hobby is gardening. I recently developed it. I love to spend some time with plants and love to see them grow. They give so much of positive and energy and joyful vibe. That's why I love it. You guys have seen my garden in my recent videos. If not, please watch them. My second hobby is reading. I love to read books. I love to spend some time, quiet time with my books. Hot cup of drink, a book and my cozy corner makes my day beautiful. My third hobby is cooking. So as I told you, I am a big time foodie and I love to experiment different types of food in home. So yeah, you can see in my channel as well, I have lots of food videos, and I am having the plan to post lots of new recipes, lots of experiment on my food side. So yeah, stay tuned. Now let's head over to some YouTube related questions. Why YouTube, or why did you start a YouTube channel? Okay, so YouTube was my long time dream. I always wanted to open a channel. I am a person who is very talkative and mingle with people well, and also I wanted to create a positive community with the like-minded people who wants to do something extra in life. Overall, I always wanted to share my experience with the people in the world, and that's why I find this platform is the best to do that. And also YouTube provides a opportunity to know many people all over the world, many awesome people all over the world. So yeah, that's why I opened my channel. So next question is, what is your channel name means and what will your channel be about? Okay, my channel reflects my life and my experiences. It evolves around personal development, productivity and personal finances areas, and also since I love to experiment around food, as I already told you. So yeah, you will see a lot of content of my food experiment as well. And yeah, I have planned to produce lots of good content and awesome content for you all. Next question is, who is your fab YouTubers? So I have a long list on this, but naming a few: Matt D'Alva, Lavender, Saloni Srivastava, and Real Life Real Home. I love binge watching their channel, and they make amazingly inspiring content which motivates me in my each step of life. Next question is, advice to other YouTuber who is starting out. Okay, content consistency and continuity is the key to consider. I am learning every day something new from my journey. I'm not an expert, but yeah, I can say taking that first step is very important. I wish I knew this earlier, but yeah, I would say take that first step if you want to do something on YouTube. Build your friendship, exchange ideas. YouTube is a great platform to meet people, find out, and it will also build the self-esteem in return. And yeah, there is no border in this platform. About me, I have answered all my questions. So I have came out today to a park near to my home. It's a big park, and I thought to shoot this video outside. And if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. I hope you like this video, and please hit the bell button. And I am really grateful for all your support so far, and I really hope that it will continue for my journey as well. If you want to know something more about me, please comment down below so that I would love to answer them all. And if you want to know my daily updates, you can also follow me in my Instagram channel. And that is all about today's video. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye. Hi everyone, this is our one channel. So yeah,